Guys, back at it once again. In this video, we're going to be talking about STX, or the STX coin. In my opinion, this coin is super overlooked right now, as it provides such an amazing use case, guys. So we're going to be diving into what exactly STX is, the STX price. We're going to be looking at the STX or STX chart, doing some analysis, formulating some price predictions for STX or the STX cryptocurrency, and taking a look at one of the apps that, in my opinion, is very significant, Citycoins. So stick around for the whole video, sit tight, watch all the way through, smash the like button for us, helps the algorithm, really helps the video reach more people. I really truly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. We'll jump right on in to the video. So in my opinion, guys, it's possible that maybe the whole announcement of the metaverse and all these gaming and NFT projects are booming. It's kind of causing some projects with very high potential to be overlooked in some cases. Now, STX is not necessarily being overlooked. If we pull up the news, you can see that it's all over the news here, guys. You can see New York City is getting its own city coin as Adams pushes for crypto hub. But once again, New York City gets its own cryptocurrency, navigating city coins, Miami citizens to earn Bitcoin despite the city not holding crypto. So, you know, it's all over the news about city coins. So what exactly is city coins and the blockchain that it's built on, STX? So STX unleashes the full potential of Bitcoin, enabling DeFi NFTs, dApps, and smart contracts for the Bitcoin blockchain. Another key feature of the STX cryptocurrency, guys, is you can hold your STX or STX tokens and earn Bitcoin. Stacking, a new way to earn Bitcoin. And it's showing here, guys, the current APY is 8.5%. So by holding and temporarily locking your STX currencies and supporting the network security and consensus, you will be rewarded in Bitcoin. I think this is a pretty cool feature. So STX actually uses a proof of transfer consensus mechanism that connects STX with Bitcoin. Also offering Bitcoin DeFi. STX brings DeFi to Bitcoin, unlocking over $1 trillion in capital. Bitcoin NFTs. NFTs secured by Bitcoin are exploding on the STX network. Now here's where it gets juicy and interesting, guys. STX for developers. Build powerful apps secured by Bitcoin. STX connects to Bitcoin, enabling you to build apps, smart contracts, and digital assets that are integrated with Bitcoin security, capital, and network. And we can just click right here where it says see what's built on STX, and it will take us over here to their current apps that are highlighted applications here, guys. You can see there's a bunch, actually. I mean, look at this. There's actually quite a few applications already being built on the STX blockchain. Okay, so you got STX Swap, world's first complete decentralized exchange on the Bitcoin network. You've got STX Web Wallet, Boom, STX NFT, and the one that we want to talk about in today's video, guys, Citycoins. Don't forget to stick around because we will be diving into the price action for the STX cryptocurrency and formulating some analysis and possible price predictions, so stick around. But if you are not already somewhat interested in STX and the STX cryptocurrency and somewhat bullish on its potential use case by now, just by simply reading off a little bit of information about it, then you should be once you realize what Citycoins is doing and what it offers. And once again, this is built on top of the STX blockchain. So let's take a look at how Citycoins works. So Citycoins are powered by STX, which is the protocol that enables smart contracts on the Bitcoin network, as we just mentioned. And it shows here a diagram of how this works. And it gives you 3 steps. So the first step, the community mines to create Citycoins. Mining Citycoins is performed by forwarding STX tokens into the smart contract in a given STX block and is a one-way process. Miners are rewarded with new Citycoins tokens. Step 2, stackers receive the STX spent to mine the Citycoins. So 70% of mining rewards are distributed to people who chose to stack their Citycoins, quote, stackers. And step 3, the city's reserved wallet grows. 30% of mining rewards are sent in stacks to a city's custodied reserve wallet. The city can claim this and convert their stacks to USD whenever they want. Okay, so just break that down for a second. Imagine what this is doing. Imagine the innovation this can bring, and just the potential that this brings to cities all across the country, right? All across the country. It's amazing to me that this is not receiving more attention than what it is. I mean, I know it's received some attention, but in my opinion, this should really be receiving more attention, as it's literally enabling people to support infrastructure in their cities by mining cryptocurrency and being rewarded at the same time and funding the city, so thus creating the possibility of having to pay less in taxes. So overall, it should just be like, literally, it should be on everyone's radar. Alright guys, so Stack's currently getting a pullback on the hourly chart. We are going to dive right on into the price action next. But first guys, I really would like to just thank you all so much for getting us past 7,000 subscribers. Okay, like literally we're almost to 7,200 subscribers already. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous support. And just to let you guys know that if you are a fan of this channel and you want to help support a little bit more and become a real true member of the AJC squad, then all you gotta do is come to the channel and click join. If it doesn't show up, go over to the memberships tab and click join, and you should be able to see a screen that looks like this where you can choose a membership level. You've got supporter for 99 cents a month, guys, just 99 cents a month. You've got Young Joe for $4.99 a month, GI Joe for $9.99 a month, Savage Joe for $24.99 a month. Each of these all come with these cool loyalty badges as well as custom emojis. But the big thing is, just by joining as a member of the channel, you get entered into a chance to win our 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So just something to think about if you are a fan of the channel and want to show some love and support. It is greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. So let's jump into the charts. Swear I'm not doing this on purpose. I just really totally forgot to mention one other thing before we dive into the price action for the STX cryptocurrency. Guys, I really want you guys to go over to averagejoecrypto.io and check out our website here. This is the website for our community-driven ERC20 meme token project here at the Average Joe Crypto YouTube channel. This is also going to be a website where eventually you'll be able to purchase cryptocurrency merch and stuff like that as it develops and as we grow as a community, guys. So definitely, if you want to check it out, the AJC token is available on Uniswap, guys. You can see how to swap for it right here on the website. So if you would like to, it would help. It'd be cool. Check us out, averagejoecrypto.io. All right, so now that I spent about 8 minutes getting to the charts, guys, I do apologize for that. Normally, I don't like to take that long to get into the price action. Let's jump into it for real this time. Not kidding. Smash the like button for me if you love cryptocurrency. Let's jump into this because currently I'm noticing that Stacks is actually seeing a little bit of a dip here on the hourly chart. So we're not going to spend a whole lot of time on these shorter term time frames because what I'm really focused on more are the longer term time frames. So, but real quickly, let's look at this on the shorter term. Let's drop it down to the 15-minute just real quickly and see what happened here. Okay, so guys, you can see that I did have this pattern drawn in here for the STX coin, and you can see that it did break bearish there below that. So this is on the 15 minutes, so keep in mind these candles can jump around and do anything at any moment, but we would have the possibility of a measured move here, and that's going to get you right down here to approximately about $2.90 according to this measured move here, guys. In my opinion, it's likely you could probably come on down a little bit lower, but really, if we look at that target, 290 makes a little bit of sense. I would expect us to come all the way back down here, retest some of this previous resistance. Your wicks are going to put you up at about 280, and then down at your candle closes, going to put you down there at about 275. Okay, so about 275 to 280 really makes more sense to me for a pullback here, just for the simple fact that, you know, on the hourly and on the shorter term time frames here, you are in sort of this rising broadening wedge, and you're bouncing back and forth in between your support and resistance levels. So it would make sense for me that we come on down and at least test this previous resistance back here. That would line you up here with your moving average as well. So a nice little bounce down there to test that would make sense. You know, there's always the possibility that we bounce somewhere else at some support. You do have support right here where you're trying to bounce currently. You can see that there is support right back here at that area. So you are trying to get a little bounce there, but you could likely get rejected by your previous support there and come on down. So that's what I'm looking at right here in the immediate short term. possibility for a little pullback there, guys. If we were to pull back all the way back down to this uptrend support line, that's going to put you in down here at about, well, right there at about our previous targets that we were talking about, around about 280, guys, about $2.80, 280 to 285 right there, is going to line you up with your uptrend line of support as well. Okay, so now, guys, let's jump on out, zoom out, and take a look at the daily, because you know, we noticed, we could see that we are seeing a slight pullback on the shorter term time frames. That's really not anything to be too concerned about, guys, because when we pull the chart out here for the STX coin on the daily, you can see that, well, if I can move these trend lines here, guys, you can see that we did get a nice breakout here. Okay, so my trend lines here on the shorter term time frames are kind of in the way of the candles there. You can't hardly see the daily candles here, but you can see we did get a very beautiful breakout of this downtrend resistance right here. And basically that, to me, I have this in here as a possible pattern to pay attention to, guys. Nice little wedge pattern here. And, you know, it makes sense on the daily. You have many confirmations. If we go back here to the previous price action, you can see where I have this trend line resting right here at our previous wicks and candle closes right here, guys, on the daily. So that makes a lot of sense right there for that placement of that trend line. And then it also lines you up here on the daily with these other areas of resistance, also these candle closes. And then right here is where you broke to the upside and broke out. And as far as your support line goes, multiple touches here on the daily confirming this uptrend line of support. And our breakout, guys, is looking good so far. Like we were looking at there on the shorter term time frames, short term pullback, nothing to be too concerned about, especially once you've seen such a nice breakout like this of a downtrend resistance level. So I do have a measured move in here, guys, on the daily chart for the STX cryptocurrency. And this price prediction for STX crypto is going to be fairly bullish, guys. That's a measurement of the top to the bottom support down here of this pattern. Basically, this measurement right here. And taken to our breakout point, guys, that's going to get us up here around 475. Okay, that's going to put us up here in and around 475, potentially 475 to $5 potentially, guys. There's one area of resistance that I would like to point out, however, and that is this line here. You can see being projected from back here. I do want to point that out. On the way to the upside, that would put you at about 380 for some resistance right there coming up because of that trend line. And let me just zoom out real quick and show you why, because in my opinion, this is key, right? Long-term area of resistance, in my opinion, when this lines up, that's key. You pay attention to that. I've had this play out many times in multiple other cryptocurrencies when doing my analysis. These longer term lines of resistance tend to usually play out. So that's just something to watch, as STX has seen a nice breakout here and we're heading to the upside. So I would be looking out for that possible resistance at about $3.80 as you're on your way to fulfill this measured move price prediction for STX, which does get you up to potentially, guys, around 475 to potentially $5 if you get a little bit of FOMO right there at the top. So 475 to $5 for the bullish breakout here for STX, guys. Watch that resistance at $3.80. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video on STX and City Coins. I know it was a very brief explanation of what that is, but you know, all this information is easily accessible to anybody, guys, if you want to go check this stuff out for yourselves. I just have to bring it to your attention in case you don't know what's going on with this, but in my opinion, City Coins and you know, just the STX blockchain in general is definitely one to be on your radar. So thanks for watching, guys. Smash a like on the way out. I know you get tired of hearing it, but you know, let me know. Do you hit the like button? Drop a comment in the comment section and let me know if you smashed a like. Also, say something crazy like I don't know, just say something crazy to let me know that you actually watched the video all the way through. I think that'd be a cool experiment. So see you guys in the next one.